Good morning, comrades, and welcome to the ANC Veterans League important structure. As you all know, to be a member of the ANC Veterans League, you have to be 6 years of age and have 40 years of uninterrupted service in the African National Congress. I pray and hope that your applications and the vetting were screened and approved by the ANC Veterans League regional and provincial structures, and that you are members of the African National Congress in good standing. I was assured by Comrade Nkula that the acting chairperson of the Veterans League and the acting provincial secretary of the Veterans League have approved that this important launch should go ahead and had no objections at all. I do not want to be accused of setting up a parallel structure of the ANC Veterans League, nor of the ANC. As members of the ANC Veterans League, you have made a solemn declaration, which is Rule 4.16 of the ANC Constitution, that will abide by the aims and objectives of the African National Congress. Comrades, branches are core basic unit of the African National Congress and of the ANC Veterans League. This is where members exercise their basic democratic rights, and this is where they discuss, formulate policies, and elect delegates to the African National Congress and to the ANC Veterans League's conferences. As the ANC branch members, you should actively participate in the work of the ANC Veterans League and of the ANC and society. As branch members, you should rally behind the African National Congress in the struggle to create a non-racial, non-sexist, united, and a prosperous society. As branch members, you should support and reinforce the ANC in the attainment of the goals and objectives of the National Democratic Revolution. Comrades, the branch should make a full and a rich contribution to the work of the African National Congress, the movement, and to the life of the nation. The branch should actively campaign for the ANC during elections at all levels of government. You should promote unity and patriotism amongst veterans, the ANC, and the broader society. As veterans, we should help in the renewal of the African National Congress and bring back society's trust and confidence in our glorious movement. As the leadership of the ANC Veterans League, we welcome you and expect to see you being active in the life of the African National Congress and of society. Amandla! That's it. I think this one is okay.